OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, Solana Art, SolSea. There are lots of NFT marketplace where you can buy, sell and create your own NFT. So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Crypto Buy YouTube channel. Once again I'm here with a useful video where I will give you a short overview of SolSea NFT Marketplace where you can buy, sell and create your own NFT. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. However, after this we will guide you about NFT, where you can create your NFT, how you can buy NFT, so everything you will find in this channel. So never hesitate to like our video, type your idea in the comment section and share this video with all your friends so they can get a huge profit using our video. As I told you in this video, I will give you a short review of SolSea NFT Marketplace, which is Solana network. It means while buying, selling or creating NFT, you need Solana coin. So what is NFT? NFT is a non-fungible token which is unique and stored in a blockchain. If you're artist, creator, photographer, videographer or singer, so simply create your own NFT and sell it. Like this you can get a huge profit. If your NFT just sold about 100 times, 200 times, so on each transaction you will get your own percentage profit. So this is the best platform, which is SolSea, that give you opportunity or give you the best platform where you can license your NFT, where you can get your percentage on each transaction while anyone just buying or selling your NFT. So in this video, what I'm going to cover, I will give you a review of SolSea website, how you can buy it, how you can find NFT, how you can find the popular NFT or the hot NFT. At last, I will just show you how you can create your own NFT and which wallet is the best wallet to just connect with SolSea and buy or create your own NFT. SolSea is newly launched by Solana and this is the killer of OpenSea NFT Marketplace. In here, if you buy, sell or create NFTs, so with super cheap transaction fees, you can just complete the process. This is the official website of solsea.io where you can buy, sell and create your own NFT. Even you can create NFT collection. However, you can buy popular NFT, hot NFT. So if we check the official website of SolSea, which is developed by Solana, the open NFT marketplace on Solana, the first NFT marketplace that enables creators to choose an embed license when they meet NFTs. Creators know how they are selling, creators know what they are buying. Join the revolution. So you can just create your own NFT by clicking on here, NFTs with embedded license. It means that SolSea is the first minting platform that allows creator to embed copyright license in NFTs. So this is the first platform where you can license your own NFT in order to someone should not copy your NFT. Ultra low cost and multi-currency support. SolSea just allows minting, listing and transactions at ultra low fees in Solana, USDC, USDT cryptocurrency. So you can use these three cryptocurrency while using buying in order to pay the transaction fees. Rarity rank and score for verified collections. SolSea calculates rarity rank, score and trades statistics for every fully minted verified collection. So if you are uploading or creating your own NFT collection, so by the time your account will be verified, like this everyone can trust you, everyone can just buy your NFT. Public and private NFT listings. So Solana just allows creators to make their listed NFTs on sale visible to the public or only privately. Upcoming collections. So this is all the upcoming collections. If we click on any of the collections, so you can get all the details about the NFT collection. This is the NFT collection, or this is the creator that they are just going to launch its own NFT collection. SolSea just give you the opportunity to just create your account and where you can just create your NFT, and like this you can just verify your collection. So this is the complete detail about the NFT collection. And then if we scroll down here, you can see all stars. This is all the stars or all the popular NFT collections or the creator that are just having a huge volume of buying and selling. And then top volume, you can see this is all the top volume NFT collections. And then if we scroll down, hot artist, this is the artist or the creator or the account that they are just uploading the hot NFT on their account, and they all are just verified collection. If you are a verified collection, so everyone can trust you, everyone can just easily buy your NFT without any hesitation. Latest listings NFT, you can see this is all the newly listed NFT, and the price is 0.34 Solana, 3 Solana, 1 Solana. So see, in SolSea you just find NFT with a very cheap price. If you just open OpenSea, so you will find NFT about thousands of USDT, about the 3 Ethereum, 4 Ethereum, 5 Ethereum. So in SolSea all the NFTs are very cheap. And then you can see the price of this NFT is 0.25. If you just want to buy any of this NFT, so the price is super cheap. So just buy it and hold it. Once the price just up, you can sell it and cash out your profit. Recent sales, this all NFTs are recent sale, and then popular NFTs are lost at the bottom of this website. You will just find the steps how you can create your own NFT. Creating collections or selling your NFTs, first of all you need to connect your wallet. So before this, let's just check any of the NFT how you can buy it. So to buy any NFT, you need to connect your wallet. To buy or sell or create any NFT, simply click on connect wallet. First of all, we need to collect our wallet. Here you will find 3 wallets: Phantom, Solfair, Solid. So one of the best is Phantom, so make sure to just add this on Google Chrome extension. So if you don't know, in next video I will guide you how you can add this on your Chrome extension, or how you can create account, and then how you can transfer Solana from your Binance to a Phantom account. So simply click on it. So I have already account on Phantom. Once you click on it, so then you need to register or create account for SolSea. So simply click on register. Now just enter your email address, then password. Here we will type our password. Once you type the password and retype password, then click on register. If you have already account, so simply click on here. So we will click register. Email just already exists. So this is the process how you can register account. So I will click already have account. So I will log into my account. Finally, I just log into my SolSea account, and then now I can buy, sell, or create my NFT or create NFT collection. So as I told you, Phantom is one of the Solana wallet. So this is the best wallet to use with SolSea NFT Marketplace. So once you connect your wallet, once you create account on SolSea, then the next step is you need to just create or complete your profile. Simply complete your profile, click on edit profile. Now you need to just in here just type everything about the name, biography, location, website URL, Twitter link. So you need just to complete your profile. So if you want to sell NFT, so you must complete this process, because if anyone check your profile, so this all are empty, so no one can trust on you. Now how you can buy an NFT using your wallet or on SolSea NFT Marketplace. So simply click on any NFT that you want to buy it. Once you come here, this is the creator or creator ID, a license not attached, not part of a collection, and the account is not verified. Unverified NFT, please check everything before you buy. It means check their profile, check their account, everything you need to check it before buying NFT. And then you can check all the detail about the NFT, about the background color, and then mouth, eye, hand. So this is the price of NFT, 0.25 Solana. This is the wallet address of creator. So how you can buy it? Before buying, let me tell you that this is the main point that you should know. Creator royalties on secondary sales 6.9%. It means on each time someone buy their NFT, so the creator, the main creator, will get about 7% profit. Suppose I'm just going to buy this NFT. Then someone else will buy this NFT from me. So the creator will get 7% of the profit. And then someone else buy NFT from that person. So again, creator will get about 7% profit. So this is the best platform of NFT marketplace, where creator can get profit till the end time of just buying and selling their NFT. Simply click on buy NFT in order to buy it, waiting for transaction approval. Now you need to just log into your Phantom wallet. As I told you, Phantom wallet is the best wallet while using with SolSea NFT Marketplace. If you have Solana on your Phantom account, so then you can buy this, because for now I don't have any Solana on my wallet. That's why unable to fetch balance changes. This is the network fees, 0.4 times 0.1 Solana. The network fees is super cheap. The transaction fees is super cheap. Simply click on approve. If you have Solana like this, you will buy this, and the NFT will be on your wallet in here, on your Phantom wallet. You can find it. So this is the easiest method or step-by-step guide how you can buy any NFT on your SolSea account using your Phantom wallet. Now I will show you how you can create your own NFT collection. So simply once you come here, click on create option. This is NFT or this is collection. If you want to create your collection, so simply click here. If you want to create NFT, then click here. So first of all, we will click on NFT. Now create NFT. Note, make sure that all information is correct and double check all spelling before you mint your NFT, because once the process is completed, you cannot edit your NFT. It means before publishing your NFT, make sure to check all the spelling, everything, because after that you cannot change anything. So first of all, you need to upload the picture. This is upload static preview, and then upload animated preview, upload artwork file. So I'm just going to upload the artwork file. Simply click on it. Now I've just downloaded one NFT here. So I'm not going to sell it, just for knowledge. I'm just using this NFT. This is the best NFT. And then scroll down. Here you need to type the title of this NFT. Suppose a hot NFT. And then you need to just short description about your NFT. You need to type the description, the best NFT. And then scroll down. It was a beautiful sunrise. Another description. Royalties from secondary sales. As I told you, on each transaction, on each buying and selling NFT, you will set your own percentage. How much percentage should I get from that person? How much percentage profit should I get? So here I will just type about 10%. So on each transaction, on each buying or selling my NFT, I should get 10% of the profit. And then internal URL, if you have text about I will give you design. Suppose, for example, picture, artwork. This is only example. And then license, you can just give your license. Personal, public display, non-commercial, exploitation, public display, non-commercial. So you can select your license that someone should not copy your NFT. At last, you have here traits like color, or their head color, eye color, their cloth color, everything you just need to type here. NSFW, if you want to give this NFT includes explicit and sensitive content, then mint NFT. Simply click on mint NFT. Like this, your NFT will be mint. Preview has invalid value. Yeah, you need to just add the preview also, this one. Simply click on it, upload preview, select the NFT. I will select this one. Yes, now just click on mint NFT. Mint NFT. Uploading assets to the SolSea. So it will just upload the file on SolSea. Please sign transaction. To create your NFT, you should have Solana for transaction fees. So this time I don't have, but I'm just making you sure. In next video I will make a complete video. I'm just going to just upload my own NFT. So like this, you can get more knowledge how you can create your own NFT. So in here you need to just click on approve. Click on approve. Like this, your NFT will be uploaded. your NFT will be created on SolSea, and then how you can find your NFT once it's just going to just complete it or upload it. Then you can find it here. Simply go up, go to my profile, my collection. Go to my collection. In here you will get all your NFT or your collections. So this is the easiest method. This is the review about SolSea NFT Marketplace, how you can buy NFT, how you can create your own NFT. Creating NFT collection is the same. Simply go to collection. So the same process you can apply by just creating NFT collection. So I hope you understand everything about SolSea NFT Marketplace. This video is just end up here. If you have any problem, question about how to buy, how to create your NFT or NFT collection, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Always I'm available to give your answer. So if you understand this video, make sure to like our video, type your idea about this NFT marketplace in the comment section, and still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. To the next video, goodbye, see you.